Conquering conversations. Offers with could. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on the modal verb could. It's not just about expressing ability or possibility, but could is also an extremely polite way to make offers. So, let's get started. When we want to make offers in English, we often use the modal verb could. It makes our offer sound more polite and considerate. For instance, compare, "I can help you with that," to "I could help you with that." The first one is a straightforward statement of capability, while the second one suggests a polite offer. Examples: 1. I could make you a cup of tea if you'd like. 2. You look tired. I could drive you home. 3. If you're not busy this weekend, we could visit the museum together. You might be wondering about the difference between can and could when making offers. While can also be used to make offers, could is considered more polite and a little more formal. It softens the tone and expresses more care and consideration. Examples: 1. I can help you with that. More direct, less formal. 2. I could help you with that. More polite, more formal. Now, it's time for some practice. Let's see how you could use could in various contexts. 1. You see a friend struggling with a heavy bag. What could you say? 2. I could carry that for you. 3. Your mother looks tired after a long day. What could you say? 4. I could prepare dinner tonight, Mom. 5. Your colleague is stressed about an upcoming presentation. What could you say? 6. I could review your slides if that would help. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, so try to use could in your everyday conversations as much as possible. And that's a wrap on making offers with could. Remember, could adds a level of politeness to your offers, showing respect and consideration to the listener. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of making offers in no time. Happy learning!